Hope everyone's doing good, right? Okay, so once more, this is Thursday session, right? Okay, so welcome everyone to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon. All right, okay, so as usual, we'll try to see Bitcoin and gold scalping, right? Okay, so if we happens to get a good setups, let's take it and let's try to make some dollars, right? Okay, so you should know that Dragon never gives a financial advice, right? Whatever he does is only for the education purpose, right? So what you think, guys, on a Bitcoin? So are you on any plans right now, guys? So what are your plans, right? Okay, so just let me know, right? If you have if you have any views on gold and BTC, just comment below, guys. What you think? Is it going to give a pullback on the downside or keep pumping on the upside? What you think is going to happen on Bitcoin and gold, guys, tonight, right? Okay, so if you have any comments, right? Okay, you might like to. Hi, Dilip Mahali. All right, welcome, brother. All right, okay, Dilip Mahali. Welcome, guys, welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button as well, right? Okay, so let's try to wait for a few minutes and we'll try to start. 1 minute, right? Let's try to wait for 1 minute, okay, and we will start, guys. All right, welcome, guys, welcome. Hi, Dilip Mali, how are you doing? So far so good. Hope you are doing good, right? Dilip Mali. All right, so we'll start, right, guys? Better. Hi, wondering as well what's gonna happen. All right, better, right? Okay, so okay, nothing much to worry. Dragon is back, right? Okay, we'll try to see together, right, what's happening around, right? Okay, so yeah. All right, without wasting time, let's go, guys. All right, okay. Hi, good to see you. All right, Dasbuta, welcome, brother, welcome. Okay, so yesterday we could trace a very big bump on upper side, right? Okay, so I was trying to short in this zone, a small move was given, and again it was trying to breach us, right? Okay, again market was aggressively pushing you on upper side, right? Okay, so we have seen that one, all right, guys. Okay, so let's try to see a few scalpings, right, guys? All right, so far okay, small move is there on this levels, right? Okay, $71,581, right? Market is trying to make you higher highs and upper side, right, guys? Okay, so aggressively market is pushing you all on upper side. This is what we can see on Bitcoin right now, right? Okay, making higher highs and upper side. Very dirty right now, I think, right? Okay, not very clear for now. All right, I don't think the market is very clear for now. I think it should come to this levels, I guess, right, guys? Firstly, small move is there, I guess, right? 0.5 percentage move is standing over there. 1 2 3, all right, 4, right? Okay, so small scalping, we can trace it on a downside, right, guys? Okay, maybe small scalping, right? Okay, firstly on a Bitcoin, all right, a short one, 0.5% only move we have it in this levels, I guess, right? Not very so market is trying to make again head and shoulder pattern in this levels. I can see that one, right? Hopefully it doesn't take out the liquidations like yesterday, right? Firstly, let's try to see that one as well. All right, guys. Okay, so liquidation is taken out already. All right, okay, one level is stressed. I think it have trust, so that's good, right? Okay, so we can take one scalp on a downside. Let's try to take one risk firstly. What's happening, guys? All right, patience, we'll try to go slow, okay, guys? Today, no hurry, slowly, guys. All right, we'll try to go slowly. All right. Firstly, this is the target, our target. Firstly, let's try to trust this one, right? Okay, so in fact, if it happens to give it, right, and if it happens to keep pushing you down, let's try to take $71,195, right? Okay, let's see, guys. All right, hi guys, welcome everyone, welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon. One more time, upper side, I think if it happens to move on upper side, there is only a liquidations it can trust. All right, okay, so liquidations can be $72,298. So from where the market can go for the liquidation. So for now, right, okay, so most probably on 1 minute time frame, it shouldn't be passing above this levels, right? Okay, if it passes, right, if it breaks out above this levels, it was already broken out, right? So it might like to take the liquidations till this levels, right? Okay, so most probably we'll try to take very small stop losses in this level, 0.16% only for now. If it breaches above these levels, most likely market can give you the small liquidations, all right, on upper side. Then only it might like to come to this levels, right? Okay, so it seems like it is breaching us again. 1% move, we have it, right? Very clear. Let's wait for a few minutes. If it breaks above these levels, that is going to be a long position, guys. All right, okay, shouldn't break above. It can't go up, but it shouldn't close. This candle shouldn't close on upper side. If it closed, then this is a head and shoulder pattern, right, guys? Okay, so most probably trying for the liquidations, right? Okay, and upper side is for the liquidations. Okay, so one more time, let's wait. Just small move, right? You see whether it breaks down or not, right? If it doesn't breaks down, right, okay, so this is the last move that is going to define, right, whether the market should move on upper side or downside. Okay, so in case if it happens to if it is not able to push below this levels, right, okay, so most probably if it is not able to break below this levels, right, or this levels, right, okay, market will do something like this, right? So immediately we need to close and try for the upper side move. Upper side moves also looks very small, guys. All right, very small. Upper side move is very small in case if it gets breached, right? So upper side is liquidations, it can be 0.375% only, very small, right? Okay. Let's wait, guys, have patience. But I think it needs to fill up this one, guys. All right, $71,534 still right now, it's still good, right? Hi Matrix, hi, welcome guys, welcome. You observe whether it breaks out or not. If it is not able to break out, then you will get a liquidations on upper side, a W pattern, in head and shoulder patterns, right? So what I told you guys, all the head and shoulder patterns are not for the, it can give you the direct move as well, right, towards the downside, or it can give you the rejection from here and push you on upper side and do this one as well. For now we are just trying to take risk, small one for the downside, hoping that this can give you all the direct moves, right? Okay, let's wait, guys. Stop loss shouldn't be above these levels, guys. All right, very small stop loss you should be having in these levels. All right, okay, still good. Shouldn't break above these levels, if it breaks, then that will become long. All right, so just make sure. So that is liquidations, right, on upper side, very fast move. Let it break down. Okay, welcome guys, welcome everyone. All right, okay, so it has a good chances of going up to this levels as well, 71,000, if it happens to anipad and lighting and jome any pagi lights. Okay, so we have a chances of moving to $71,191 as well, right? Let's try to take wait, right? Have patience now. Let's see. We'll have very small tight stop loss for now. All right. Above these levels, don't hold on. This is the levels whereby market can send you for the liquidations, the head and shoulder patterns, right? So people will be shorting over here, and the market will try to push you on upper side and take out you and give you the move. So if it gives the liquidations, it has a chance of going without liquidations as well. It can give you the liquidation as well. Let's wait. Not able to break down, guys. If it goes up and break down on upper side, you just have very tight eyes over here, guys. All right, so this is the levels whereby it should clear it out towards the downside. It should break out towards downside. If it's not able to break down below this levels, right, market will go up, and if it breaks out on upper side, then you'll get a liquidation. So this is going to be, for now it's okay. All right, it's okay, but in case if it happens to break above these levels, guys, all right, so you need to immediately click on your reverse point. All right, for now it looks okay. Are you planning trade? No, I have entered one short, risky shot on a downside without liquidations for now. All right, okay. From these levels, right, okay, we have tried to plan for the small shots on a downside. So in case you observe, guys, if you want to wait, you can wait it. All right, okay. If you want to trade, you can trade with me, right? I'm just taking a small risks, right, and trying to push you towards the downside. Let's wait, right? For the gold, guys, those who are interested for the gold, hi Matrix, Dasbuta, Patter, everyone, guys, welcome, right? Gold, this is on a bigger time frame. Okay, so gold, guys, gold have been stuck in these levels for now, right, guys? 15 minutes time frame. Gold got a lot of pending orders. I don't know what the gold is doing now. This pending order was filled. Gold is going through a small sideways, guys. All right, okay. Gold is going through a small sideways for now. Small level of sideways it happened going through. All right. Pending orders over here, guys. Gold got one pending orders. $4,518 pending orders for the gold. BTC going good. All right, let's wait, let's see. Maybe we can mark our TP1 over here, right, guys? Okay, so that we will be able to move our stop loss to the entry when it goes down and down, right? One level is empty. The liquidation level is empty for the Bitcoin as well. Gold also got a small liquidation level left empty on upper side. This we can mark this one as a red purple one, right, guys? Okay, so next time we go and fill up that one as well. Right now gold is going a little bit sideways, right? Okay, if it breaks down below these levels, maybe we can expect gold to come down till this levels, right? Okay. Small sideways going through. sideways, 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 sideways. All right, let's try to see these levels, right? Market what was trying to break out on upper side, came down, got firstly broke down, right? Market went up, all right, and again broke out on upper side. Let's ignore this one. All right, now if it gets rejection from here one more time, we can expect the market to move on upper side, right? Okay, so from where the long starts above these levels, guys, all right. If it happens to break above these levels, right, we can expect gold to again move 0.6% on upper side. Okay, so this can be one positions on upper side, right? Once it happens to break out, right? If it is not breaking out, I think we cannot do anything over there because of the sideways that you're having in these levels. If the sideways continues, you have a small move 0.23, 0.23. You can keep tracing that one as well. All right, okay. Oh, Bitcoin breached us again, guys. All right, Bitcoin breached us 0. How much, guys? 0.14%. All right, okay, so one stop loss gone. All right, okay, for now we are counting on one stop loss. Market trying to plan for the liquidations on upper side, so one stop loss gone, guys. All right, if you are planning longs over here, guys, you have very small move, that is a liquidation 0.3%, if you are planning it, but your stop loss should be below this levels, very high. One stop loss gone, guys. All right, 0.113%, we have to bear the stop loss. All right, firstly. Again, second. All right, guys, so quick recovery, it can be one positions, right, for the long, right, since this is on liquidations. All right, we are planning for the liquidations on upper side. Let's see. All right, so next time, if when it comes down, we'll plan shots again from here only, right? Okay. We need to quickly close it. The stop loss was hunted. Market waiting for the liquidations on upper side for the Bitcoin, right? Okay, so quickly recovery, this can be a quick recovery for you all, right? Okay, 0.13% removed from here till this levels, right? Market is trying for the liquidations, guys. We'll keep tracing it. One stop loss 100, guys. All right, for the BT. Gold looks in a sideways for now. I think it will be very difficult for you to plan anything over there. Quick SL removed. All right, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. Market try to plan for the liquidation, so this is the tracing of liquidation, quick recovery of your stop losses. All right, once stop losses is recovered and 0.1% extra scalping sessions for you all. All right, okay, so so we can wait for the shots once it comes down, right? All right, TP is done. Quick scalp, right? Okay, one stop loss done because the market was trying to go for the liquidation, so we have to accept that one. Book some profit if you're holding it, right? Otherwise your TP is done, guys. All right, quick one, right? So most probably if the market happens to come down, we'll try to plan for the shots one more time. I cannot plan over here shots, guys. I don't have anything. Guys. Let's try to go for the shots. All right, with a small stop loss above these levels, right? Okay, and over here TP to $71,531, right? Okay, so liquidation taken out. We are expecting the market to get reversed now. Right, let's see. Your stop loss recovered too quickly, right? Just a second, guys, just a second, wait. Yes, it should be getting reversed. If it goes above this levels, it will be a boom on upper side. You should get a reverse from here, I guess. Liquidation is tracing so high. Shouldn't be. We are going to actually your short positions over here. We are taking risks from the top. All right, okay, for now we are going to take risks from the top. All right, so with that TP1 over here, this one maybe marking, I can mark this one with the blue one, right guys? Okay, and yeah, TP1 over there and TP2 over the here, TP3 over here. We are planning for the downside move after the liquidations. All right, okay. We didn't have anything to confirm it, so we are directly taking risks from the top, right? Okay, so we are keeping our stop loss of 0.2 percentage, right? Okay, and target is 0.87, so 1:2, almost 1:4 or 1:3, right? Okay, if you lose, we are going to lose one portion. So if we win, we are going to win 4 portions. That's all. Risk management. All right. Let's wait. Gold going down still, right? So above these levels we can plan for the upper side move. For the downside move, if it goes for the 5 minutes time frame, if it breaks below these levels, this one can for the gold also there is a liquidations. First liquidations, and if it happens to go up, then only, otherwise. So gold is standing at the same positions as a BT. All right, if it doesn't give the liquidations, that can be, we can expect from this levels to this levels, right? Okay, so but there is a standing liquidations over here. All right, if it happens to go up, we can plan one long side and upper side, right? And later on we can plan for the shots once it happens to maybe approach below this levels, right? And trying to target this levels, right? 1.5 percentage on downside, maybe for the gold, right? Okay. If you plan like BTC too early, right? Okay, so again market might like to give you the quick liquidations and upper side and might like to recover, right? Okay, BTC aggressively trying to stop loss, guys, trying to plan for our stop loss too quickly. What to do, guys? We have, but it's our fault as well. We have tried to take from the other zone. Okay, in fact. Aggressively, guys, trying to take out our stop loss. Guys, have patience now a little bit. We try to wait 0.24 percentage too quickly. A little bit early, right, guys? We were a little bit early today. I wanted to have patience. Anyways, we'll try to plan for these levels to come in. I think it should go down only, but before that one it might like to haunt my stop losses playing around. This is what I'm thinking for now. All right guys, okay, it should come down only, I guess, right? Most probably I should be able to at least stress this levels, I guess. But before that one, it might like to haunt my stop losses. This is what I'm thinking for now. Maybe small spike and come down. If it keeps moving in upper side, haunting my stop loss too quickly, guys. Gold without moving without liquidations. BT. Let's try to wait. We expect this stop loss now. We expect this stop loss. Let's see. Hi guys, welcome everyone, welcome. All right, so we are waiting for our stop loss to be done this time. Little bit early we have planned it. Actually we should have planned after the market have got a rejection from the top and clears out, twisted outside. So market's still playing around a bit. No problem, we will hold it. All right, come back BT, come back. Gold directly going down without liquidations. If it goes up, so I can't directly plan there. The setup is good. All right, okay, this is a head and shoulder pattern for you all guys. All right, okay, but as a same like BT also we plan same, right? But the market happens to go for the liquidations and it we are expecting to come down, right? Okay, but in case if the gold is also planning for the liquidations, then it might be haunted again your stop loss. So we are not planning for now, so just to wait for the, if it happens to give liquidations we'll take it, otherwise after liquidations only we will be trying to plan for the downside. We cannot do anything for the gold right now. First stop loss haunted and second quickly recovered, right? 0.3 percentage, 0.13 percentage. We have to bear it. Our stop loss tight, right? Once it happens to break below this levels, we are gonna book one profit and move our stop loss to the entry. All right, okay. Let's try to wait a bit now, giving us fear. BT. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions every day 11 UTC onwards, right? Okay, so every day you can see me on 11 UTC onwards, right? Okay. Okay, coming back, right? That can be an entry for those who have no positions as well, right? Okay. All right, come back now. A little bit early, right guys? We entered a little bit early. Because of that one we had to bear this, all the consequences and fear and all those things, right? Come on, you have given the liquidations, now it's your time to give us move to its downside. Let's wait. Have patience and wait 1 minute time frame. Gold directly moved down, guys. All right, BTC also we planned same, but BTC went up first and then only came down, but gold have respected nicely. directly down. That's nice on gold. BT is the one which is playing around a lot, liquidations, traps. BT plays around a lot. Let's wait. Last we are planning reversal. Okay guys, this one we are planning a reversal. All right, okay, so which is very noisy right now. Reversal from the liquidations. All right. Someone asked me, right? Okay, so reversal. So last, if you remember me, right, on Friday, last Friday, Saturday, Sunday, especially on Sunday, right, I told you, all right, okay, so if the market happens to move down on the last Sunday, right, so for the till Wednesday we are going to look for the upper side move, and exactly you have gone it right. But after the Wednesday, I don't know, right, Thursday sessions, will it be a continuation, right? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? Okay, so Saturday and Sunday usually it remains very confusing, right? Okay, Saturday, because Sunday it have to again change the phase or again do something else, right? Saturday, so it becomes a sideways, right guys? Okay, so Thursday and Friday, right, it can be a reversal, pull back towards the downside, as well as it can be a continuations and upper side. All right, okay, so this Thursday and Friday, if it happens to give you the Thursday, right, reversal, we will plan Friday also towards the same directions, right? Okay, just a small aside from the technical things, right? Just my understanding, nothing much financial advice, guys. All right, okay, just my understanding. All right. BT playing around too much, guys. Gave a breakout, also came to our zone and still playing around, guys. Okay, so Thursday and Friday, so Monday gave you a downside move, and after the midnight it have changed these directions. I mean like Sunday, right? Monday up, Tuesday up, Wednesday up, 3 days up. Now Thursday reversal or continues. All right, it follows several times similar patterns, right? Okay, but it doesn't mean that every time it should follow that way, but sometimes the several times it happens to follow the similar patterns, right? Whereby your understanding sometimes it gives you a little bit more confident to plan your setups as well. All right, Raja, hi. All right, welcome, brother. Still, BD, come on, no more fake outs, no more. All right, come on, BD, you should do this one. Too noisy. Gold is directly going down. If it goes, we can take it, otherwise I'm not taking in for now for the gold on the downside. Okay guys, still playing around BT. Come on, small sideways it have created in these levels right now, which is very bad. Let's go BD, come on. Still moving down. Gold very sincere because of BT. We are not taking in for the gold. Gold from here directly broke down for us, but BT went up. All right, so we could take out our stop loss, and again we plan long, which was quickly recovery. Firstly, stop loss recovery. This can be your target, profit target now. All right. Let's go, BD. Come on, push it. You can do it, BD. Don't be shy. Come on, BD. It's your time. Small move given, guys. All right. Aggressively. See how noisy it was over here, guys. All right. Still stop loss over there. After booking one profit, we'll shift our stop loss towards the nearer zone. BT. Doom machale, doom machale, chicken fry gatale, doom. Hello, hi, Tombai, welcome, brother, welcome. There stands short positions again for the gold from here. If it breaks out, but most probably I think it is going to play around a bit. One liquidations left, after that one only. This levels also we have one shots. If it is so, what we are taking in the sideways that we are having a breakout, you got it. This is the retest that is having it, right? So once it happens to come down, right, and if it gets rejection from here and clears out and from here, you're getting big higher highs on upper side, guys, for the gold, right? But in fact, if it happens to break down below this levels, you are coming back to the sideways one more time, and it might like to play around, right? Okay. Otherwise, if it happens to give you the back from here, which is the retest, right? Market try to get out from the sideways, and market is trying to retest it, right? Okay, over here market was getting a breakout on upper side, but the retest, it was not done a retest from here, which is missing right now. All right, for the gold. Okay, for the gold it is missing now. For the BT, right, book some profits, right? Okay, and move your stop loss to the safer zone, guys. All right. Okay, so if it is this one, or so less than whatever it is, less than whatever profit that you have booked, right? Okay, your stop losses, right? Or to the entry also, right? Okay, so if you have some, might have planned from these levels, whatever it is, right? Okay, for the BT especially, right? For the gold, it's aggressively planning towards the downside right now, because of one pending order we couldn't take it on a gold. Otherwise that would be a clean one from here. It's okay, no problem. BD, let's go. Let's go, BD, let's go. Total of 3 setups done, 1 SL done, 0.13%, 1 TP done, 0.3%. This is going to be the third trade for tonight, right? Okay, guys, for you all, the third trade. Almost TP2 done, right? Book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, rest, just let it flow. Gold. Dubara. If it was giving you the liquidations, it would have been nice to take a shot from those levels towards downside, like BT. gold rails also, right guys? BD going solid, right? Okay, so it was trying to give us a fear from here, but a little bit we are rigid over there, right, to protect. Go BD, go, you can do it. All right, nice, crazy nice. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, okay, so I try my best to clear out the noise and try to take out the setups. All right, okay, so but you should know that Dragon is never giving you the financial advice. Whatever you are doing is you are doing it, right? Okay, so you can get the idea, right, and execute on your own, have your good risk management over there, right? Okay, so that's how you are going to trade it, guys. All right, so totally don't depend on me as well, right? Okay, you can get idea from me and what I'm doing it, right, and you can plan accordingly, right? Okay. For the gold, aggressively planning to reach the downside. Gold, we couldn't do anything, right guys? It looks down only, but it can be a risky as well, guys. I don't know you are going to take risks or not. 0.49, 0.49, right? Small risks. TP2 done, guys. All right. So we have two other TPs towards the downside for now. Have patience right now. We'll try to trace it. Second entry for BT can be those who have missed, right guys, the positions. 2 TPs done for now, so second entry can be $72,038, right? Those who have missed. Second entry, if it gives if it doesn't give, I don't know. If it gives, can take it from this levels, right? If it doesn't give, just second, right guys? Okay, I'll be back. If it gives, right, this can be a second entry for those who have missed previous one, right? Okay, so it might like to give a small pullback and clear it out to its downside, or you can wait for this market to come down below this levels, right? Okay, so if it doesn't goes all the way to the upper side, those who have missed, right guys? All right, okay, so If you can trace from the top, that's well a good trade. Maybe aggressively a second entry for y'all, right? Second entry. Just let's close it. Let it close down. Not yet. If it directly close down, otherwise you can take it from top. All right, with the stop losses above. If it directly goes down, you can take it directly as well. Otherwise, what you can do is, another option is you go let it go up while it's coming down. You can take it from those levels as well. All right, so that can be one options as well, right? Okay. Gold is going aggressive, right, guys? Okay, aggressively down. Second entries, right? Those who are interested, those who missed, right? Those who have from the top, stop loss at entry, already booked one profit, rest just let it flow, right? Okay. Nothing much financial advice, guys. Make your own research before you move in, right? Okay. Okay, second entry. Let's go. Hi, Hannah, Hannibal, Benjamin. Hi, bro. Welcome. Welcome, brother. Welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon. It closes or not? Should close it. Okay, nice. Hi, welcome, guys. Welcome to the Thursday sessions, guys. All right, welcome everyone. All right, hope you guys are doing good, right? Hopefully everyone's doing good, right, guys? second on entry also going good, right guys? Okay, scalpings. Quick recovery, right? Quick recovery, right? Gold aggressively pushing down. Gold aggressively pushing down. If it breaks below this levels, gold is approaching to a $4,427. BD, nice. Second entry also gone perfectly, right? Now book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, right? Those who have gone for the second entry as well, right guys? Okay, so cool guys. All right, nice move, right? Those who have gone for the second entry, first entry, both gone crazy, right? Those who have entered from the top, you are super crazy, right? Nice. Okay, so quickly guys, quickly done, quickly. Now if you wanted to hold below for the gold, book some profit and you can hold, right? Okay, move your stop loss to the entry and hold. If you want to book profit, get out, you can get out, right? Okay, so accordingly you can plan it wherever you wants to go, right? So far so good guys. All right, those who are watching me for the first time, Dragon, all right, every day we come on a live stream, so from 11 UTC, right? Okay, so you can catch me always, right? Okay, so for that one, keep subscribing it so that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions every day. All right, so far we have taken 4 setups. One, 0.13% of stop loss gone. Second, 0.3% done. Third and second entry also given, all going perfect, right? Okay, so all perfect. Gold only one small setups, right? 0.47% only, right? Okay, so in case if it was going on upper side, we wanted to take long, it never did that one, right? Directly came down. So if it wants to hold it, you can hold till this levels. If you want to close it, you can close. All right, if you want to hold, move books and profit, move your stop loss to the entry and just hold, right? Okay, so this is how you do it guys. All right. For the BT as well, similar, right? Okay, so if you want to hold up to $71,200, it's up to you all, right? But you need to have book some profit for the second entry as well, right? Move your stop loss to the entry. All right, okay, so those who are holding from the top as well, right, book some profits. And right, so maybe your stop loss should be in this zone, right? And if you wanted to hold for $71,195, right, it's up to you all, right guys? Okay, it has a good chances. All right, so as long as it's not getting out from this levels, that's fine. What I told you, as long as you are not getting out from this levels, you're fine, right? But once you happens to get out from this levels, right, then your thing starts, right? Okay. All right, done guys, all TPs done guys. All right, perfectly. So quickly, all right, so we started today and back to back we have been tracing every moves guys for now. Thanks bro, I take 50% profit but I get SL from first positions. Okay, it's okay, but now it's okay, right? Now a little bit better, the profit's better than your SL because SL was 0.13%. Oh, you hold it all the SLs on upper side. It was too close from this levels guys. All right, it's okay, sometimes happens, right? It's okay. You want some more? Exactly, done guys. All right. Your TP is done now. I'm looking for this as a retest. All right, for this zone, upper side move, I cannot plan it. It's going for the small sideways. Let's try to go for the 5 minutes time frame. Let's try to trace it. 5 minutes looks very noisy. All right, quickly we did it. Still good, right? You're not breaking out from the trend. This level, this move is going to be a little bit noisy. All right, okay, so this move can give you sometimes breakout on upper side, right, and push you furthermore, right? Maybe I'm expecting something like this, right? So upper side move, it shouldn't, Bitcoin shouldn't, those who are holding for the shots, it shouldn't pass above this levels. All right, let me mark this one with the red colors. Bitcoin shouldn't pass above this levels. Above this levels there stands long positions or one more time sideways, right? Okay. All right, let's try to find another setups, right? Okay guys. This one is going to be a little bit noisy. You need to wait a little bit out for this one. This is going to make something like this, and we are going to plan for the downside move once it happens to approach towards downside, right? Upper side we are going to do nothing. Wait, have patience. Let's see on bigger time frame. Market have to come to $71,195 next time, but next time. 69,713 one levels. For the long holders, $69,000, $69,607 is pending. Maybe tomorrow we'll try to aim if it is not given today. Today it might like to play around, go up when the New York session starts, right? Okay, and later on if it gives, right, we'll check it. No need to worry, right? But one pending order stands around $69,600. all right, okay, one pending orders there for the bigger time frame, which is going to take time. That's not scalping, guys. All right, that's not scalping. one pending order stands over there. We'll try to 1, 2, 3. Wait, last entry. Need to wait a bit. Last entry, we need to wait a bit. All right, okay. So we are going to firstly plan for $70,286, right? But maybe after the New York sessions are, if the New York session favors, that's crazy, right? We'll, one go we are going to trace everything. But if the New York session is not favoring you all, right, you need to wait a little bit, right? Okay. All right. Gold. All right, so from here exactly it is trying to return it up, right? For the gold, a little bit trying to return it up. Got no pending orders. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. All right, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions every day 11 UTC, guys. Every day 11 UTC. All right, you can always catch me out. All right, okay, I will be always on, right? Okay, just wait for 1 minute. $70,241 is also pending. 69 till Friday, whatever it is. I think it needs to fill up $69,751. Let's see today's New York sessions if it favors us, right? Okay, that's going to be crazy, right? Okay, but if it is not favoring us, right, that becomes a problem, right? Okay. Guys, all TP seated. Last move. 70,000. all right, just wait a few minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also pending orders. $71,193. Every move Bitcoin have been making a pending orders for you all. Let's see. So if it happens to give the reversal today, pull back, right, that will be a nice. Wait, guys, wait. Gold long ones only above these levels, okay? So you're observing later on. I think if it plays around later on, I think it needs to come to these levels. So if it passes below these levels, gold will go all the way to its downside, right? Okay, so if it passes below $4,426, gold might like to approach towards the $4,359. But in case if it is not pass, if it is not able to push you right below these levels, right, okay, then you will see that market is not the last after breakout. All right, if it is not able to push you on a downside, market has a good chance of reversal from these levels for the gold, right? Okay, so you should know that one. So slowly gold has a good chances of approaching towards $4,414. All right, okay. For BT, just wait. All right, okay. It will be a little bit noisy over here, right? Okay, it will be noisy only. We are not going to plan for the longs. We are going to wait for the same levels and plan one shots. Last move, I guess, right? After that one, it should be continuing. I think the New York session is going to start now. Let's go to plan for the downside move right below this levels, right? Okay, and we'll try to trace how much count happens. 1 2 3 1 2 3. All right, okay. With stop loss should be in this zone 0.29. Last move, guys. All right, okay. We'll try to aim for 0.7% on the downside. All right. Okay, gold playing around a little bit. When the New York session starts, if it reverses from here, guys, we can plan a long from here for the gold, right? Okay, and try to push all the way towards the liquidations levels, so 1.9% from this level. All right, for gold. So we cannot be rigid on one side, guys. All right, okay. So according to the market moves, we need to plan accordingly what the market is going to do it, right? Okay. Just wait, it's not closing down. Let it close down, guys. All right, for the last BT move for the downside, let it close down. Hi SB. All right, welcome guys, welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, like Tokte Jao, subscribe Tokte Jao, guys. All right. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, let's try to take one shot now. Closing. It's closing, right? Closing or not? I just want small close up below this levels for last shot. Okay. Not closing. Closing, not closing. Closing, not closing. 1 minute candles. Small sideways. Gold. Right now it couldn't do it. When the New York sessions starts, maybe gold can give you the liquidation as well. That is also possible. If it happens to give the liquidation first, we can plan for the shots again one more time. Above this level is long, directly moving up, one long and one short, two positions, right? Directly going down, if it is not able to break down, right? Okay, we can plan for the, when the market happens to reverse, we can plan for the long and we can trace 1.9% solid move on the upper side. All right, okay. So there are lots of opportunities coming in. Just you need to have energy and money in your accounts to trade it, guys. All right. Yesterday move was massive. You made lots of dollars. SB card yesterday, lots of dollars. All right. It should be moving in a downside, still playing around. Those who are holding for the shorts on the gold, right? Okay, your stop loss at entry, right? If you wants to hold, you can hold it, right? It's 1.3 percentage directly if it gives, right? But you should have those are, you need to already book some profit if you're holding, right? And move your stop loss to the entry, and rest you can push it towards the downside, this level $4,413 as well. All right, okay, if you want to hold it. All right, it's up to you all. All right, okay. So if it happens to continuously break down below these levels, that's well and good, right? But in case if it happens to get rejections, you can plan long again one more time, 1.944 percentage in every side, and keep moving in every side, right? Okay, rather if it happens to haunt your stop loss at entry, and if it go for the liquidations again, we can plan for the shots again one more time from the top. So everywhere from the upper side, downside, both side, you got our positions, right? Okay, so wherever you wants to take in, right guys? Okay, it will be a little bit noisy in these levels. Okay, BTC will try to play around a lot in these levels, right? Okay, it will try to confuse, it will try to take out the stop loss again, right? Okay, so it will be lots of confusions in these levels, right? Okay, lots of noisy area. Just we request one close up candles downside. It's not able to close yet, so I call this is a fake out area for the longs. All right, okay, usually this area gets a trap for the longs. Okay, it will give the long positions and it tries to push you towards the downside. All right, usually, right? Okay, but for the confirmations we need to wait for those who are waiting for the last move, right? Okay, $71,761. We wanted to open here a little bit, close up was not given, market couldn't close down, right? Okay, we are waiting for the market to come down, and we open one shot from here and try to trace again 0.7 percentage on a downside. Okay, it will try to give the long positions and take out all the longs usually. All right, so let's see guys. Okay, it will give the breakout and quick spike and quick swap down. Maybe you can hold. Is holding a good choice? 4,400 TP for gold. Luca, hey Luca, welcome back. Luca, where have you been? 4,413. This point will be tested. Okay, if it breaks down and confirm the retest, it can be further down. But if the retest gets failed, you can plan long again and try to plan for the 2% on upper side. All right, for the gold. Nothing much financial advice, guys. Make your own research before you move in, right? Okay, so that you guys don't blame me. Dragon says to sell, all those things, right? Okay, so you make your own research, right? I'm just here to explain you whatever I know, right? I'm just showing you whatever I know, right? Okay. One, two, third one, 1, 2, 3. Now I should be able to give you all. Let's wait, have patience. Gold, if you're holding, maybe with a stop loss at entry, you might like to hold it, right? Okay, because in the 1 hour or 50 minutes, right, New York session will start, right? That time, you don't know what the New York sessions will do for you all. Just wait, okay guys, for the BTC. Just wait one more time. We need to wait. Right now market is still playing around. Just wait. All right, market candle is not getting closed on the downside yet. We are going to wait for the same positions. Upper side we do nothing, while coming on a downside we will try to trace. keep tracing our shots. Now if it doesn't get $72,042, this can be a good rejection point for you all. Wants to take risks, guys. All right, let's go. All right, now let's go for the shots, but stop loss should be above 0.25264. all right, okay, and TP's $71,198. all right, so last one shot setup for you all, right? Okay. We are taking risks on the breakouts and the pre-side, all right, okay, whereby you have got a good swap up, right? Breakouts on the pre-side and market swap up, right? Okay, you shouldn't pass above, all right. It can break out, but you shouldn't close above these levels, right? Okay, for the shots, if it close up, then that becomes boring for us. So market above these levels, that stands a long positions. It shouldn't go above, all right, okay. So we have just above this level, so you try to keep your stop losses, and we'll try to stress the last move, right? Okay, guys. For BTC, let's see, guys. All right, we are going to take risks now. This can be a last setup for you all tonight, right? Okay, still gold going good, right? Okay. Still going good. Stop loss at entry if you're holding for the downside move, all right? $4,413 can give you all right. You can keep extending it. Once it happens to pass you down, right, keep trailing your stop loss and try to push towards the downside, right, guys. Take a reference of this line, right? Maybe, okay. So this can be a good reference line for you all for the BTC going good, all right, okay. Once it happens to clear below this levels, move your stop loss to the entry, and rest just let it flow, all right, okay. So last setup for today, guys. We won't spend much time, right? But because like New York sessions, first 10 to 15 minutes, boom boom boom, if you get, well and good, right? If you don't get, you are going to get random things over there. Quick spike, quick taking out stop losses, quick getting your profits, quick getting your directions, right? New York sessions, I can't trust New York sessions, right? Okay. If it is on a breakout, and right, if it really gives you the breakout, New York sessions gives you very quick spikes, right, like yesterday, right? Okay, it has a good possibilities to give you the good spike as well. But when you get breach, right, you are going to lose lots of dollars. It will seems like you are going to get the profits over there, but when you get breach, right, it will give the hope for again and again, right? It will come to your zone again and again and try to breach you again and again, slowly and slowly and slowly. It will try to drain off your money, all right, guys. Okay, so New York sessions, usually I don't like to trade it. In fact, if you are trading a breakout strategy, it works very perfect in the New York sessions, right? Okay, but you need to wait patiently for the New York sessions for the breakout strategy to work on, right? Okay. Okay, going good, guys. So randomly, so we have, when I started, we took our setup, we started from this levels, guys, right? When I came, right, it was over here, right? Okay, so from here we took one shots over here. Our stop loss was taken out 0.13%. Again, we took it one, right? Aggressively every move we have been taking it. So this move I have to escape it because this is never good, right? This is so noisy area, so I don't like to trade this move, all right? Okay, so every move we have been counting on the scalps, right? Okay, so all the moves we have been tracing it a little bit later, right, guys? Okay. We have been tracing it, right? For the gold, take a reference of this line, right, guys? Okay. Maybe. TP1, right? TP2, maybe TP3, you can take it till the bottom, right, guys? Still playing around in this zone. This is the short zone, so market knows how to play around in this zone, right? Because like we were waiting for this levels to short it, but we took risks from the top only. All right, for now. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, this is Dragon. I try to come on a live stream every day, right? 11 UTC onwards. You can catch me, right, doing the scalpings on the live, right? Okay, so you can catch me always. All right, okay. So it doesn't mean that Dragon is expertise, right? He's just showing you whatever he understands, right? Okay, I'm not certified financial advisor, right? Okay, I'm just showing you whatever I know, all right, whatever I think, all right, guys. So I might like to delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, right? And even delete this one, no use, right, guys? Let's go. Hi TT trader. MP4. Welcome guys, welcome. Let's wait now. All right, have patience and wait. It might like to do retest, all those things is going to happen, so it's okay. This area usually becomes so so people will be waiting for the long positions above these levels, right? But almost 60 to 70% I have observed that market won't give him these conditions for the longs, right? Okay, in fact it was yesterday, if it was like a condition like yesterday for liquidations and the breakouts, it gives, right? Okay, but almost 60 to 70% it will try to breach the longs over here. Let's see whether longs get breached over here or not, right? So longs, they will enter long over here. Okay, some people they will try to long from here, some people will long from here. Let's see the force. मेरा मन क्यों चुक जाए ये बंधन. Noisy. Hi guys, welcome, right? Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming daily, right? Okay. Nothing much financial advice, okay guys? Make your own research before you move in, right? Okay. So I'm just showing you whatever I know, right? Okay. Whatever I think the market is going to do. It doesn't mean that dragon should be right all the time, right? Okay. Make your own research before you move in. All right. You saw it, guys, all right? So this levels usually fakes out a lot, all right? Okay. This is a noisy area. The trend. Hopefully it doesn't make any sideways for us, right? So because of this move, right? Okay. People tend to long from here, right? And market happens to give you the sideways or sometimes breach them very quickly, right? Okay. They will open the long positions, right? Okay, without closing. Over here, this is the breakout strategy, whereby this is a good zone whereby the breakout strategy can feel, all right? Okay. But in fact, if I was there, right, for the breakout strategy, those who are trading breakout strategy, if I had to open my long, right, because of this move, right, but there was a swap, right? Okay. So over here they will be waiting, expecting the market to get reversed, right? Okay. If I was there, so most probably above these levels I would be planning my longs, right? Okay. Closing above these levels, right? Not over here. So over here they will try to plan long, over here also they will plan long, and market tends to give them the hope again and again, right? Okay. And slowly they get breached. This is whereby this zone usually the market tends to fail the breakout strategy, all right? So I told you, right? Okay, so when the traders, when you happens to, right, practice for the beginners, right? Okay, when you try to plan your strategy, right, don't only focus on the strategy when it works, right? Okay, try to focus on when it doesn't works at also, right? Okay, so you need to focus on the zone whereby your strategy is not working, right? Okay, so that you can stay away, all right? Okay, so otherwise you'll get an entry from here again, swap, right? And all those things happens, right? Okay, faked out and all those things. In fact, you are staying inside the sideways little bit on the top, trying to get out from the top. This is you are at the top right now. Okay guys, so this was the noisy area for us, noisy area, so whereby it took lots of time, right? This is also noisy area, right? Going back to the noisy area one more time, Bitcoin. Okay guys, Bitcoin trying to plan on a noisy area one more time. So we are aiming for the breakout strategy, feeling it, the reversal trade for now, all right? Okay, this is the breakout strategy whereby they will apply the breakout strategy. If they don't know, right, beginners, they will try to apply for the breakout strategy. Why guys? All right, it tries to break out from the upper side, the retest failed over here, right? If they are not very confident, right, I mean like if they don't have proper idea, they would have got a nice breach from here, and from here all this SL will be taken out, guys. Okay, so sideways little bit, just a second guys, I'll be back. Going good, guys. Last trade. All right. Hi, Sammy Open. Welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon. One more time, guys. All right. Now you can book some profit and move your stop loss to the entry now. All right. Okay. I think it have done it. Book some profit and move your stop loss to the entry. Okay, guys. Book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, right? And rest, let it flow. Now this becomes pending order. All right, market tends to give you the long position, all right, but market didn't give you, right? That becomes a pending order of mine. All right, okay, whereby market have fake out, right? Okay, this becomes a pending orders for your so far so good, guys. Enjoying. Hope it was helpful for you all. Right. Gold क्या हो गया? Gold going back to your entry. All right, gold one more time. Okay, TP was fully filled. Those who uphold it, your stop loss at entry, right? Okay, maybe New York stations. If it happens to give above these levels, you might like to trace liquidations as well. Otherwise, directly going down. Gold, if the liquidation is given, you can plan for the shorts from here after the New York sessions. Okay, if it goes directly down, there stands a long positions for you. All right, you can make your research, find one, check whether the breakouts towards the downside get filled or not. Right, after that one, you can plan for the reversal on upper side, right, in case if it happens to give you directly, right? Okay, W pattern, don't make it. Double bottom pattern we don't require, huh? W pattern, no. W pattern we don't wanna. It doesn't mean that you are not going down. It is going to make the same height, right? Okay, sometimes even more than that one if it makes W pattern. Hopefully we don't get any double bottom patterns over here. See whether it breaks out on upper side or not. Should be going something like this. If it is reacting on sideways, it will go again one more time, then again swap you down, give a hope for the longs again one more time and swap you down, making a W patterns, right? hopefully hope you would have you moved some profit. Okay, TP1. If you have not booked any profits, the patience will decrease, right? Okay, even when the market happens to hit your stop loss at entry, right, you don't feel like closing it, right? This is all about psychology, guys. Okay, if you keep booking some profit, you will not have that feelings, right? Your full pending orders, right, still stuck. We'll wait for the same levels to short it once it happens to move on the upper side. Making a W patterns. Crazy BT. So levels became, I think it's going to hit your stop loss at entry. We get out from here if it hits, right? Okay, if it hits, we get out from here. Okay, again we'll plan it for the shots. All right, only this level is given for now. Okay, so pending orders is trying to clear it out with the W patterns. It has a, since it is inside the sideways, it has a chances of going to $72,042 as well. We are going to wait. All right, next time when it comes down again, we plan for the shots. We have liquidations as well downside. That time, boom, again we have to get clear out. Okay, one move missed, second move missed again. Let's wait. Gold is looking funny. Okay, for the gold it's okay, guys. All right, I think it is going to react on the New York sessions only. Upper side you have a liquidations for the gold. All right, you observe whether gold breaks out from this retest level or not. Sometimes retest levels become very far, right? You observe it. Okay, for the gold upper side also you have loss of opportunity, guys. All right, don't only focus on one side only. Wherever you get the dollars, you just try to go with that one flows, right? Okay, opportunities, right, guys? Okay, if it is giving an upper side, take it. If it is giving on a downside, take it. Wherever your aim is to make dollars, guys. All right, okay, once you practice, once you have everything right, your disciplines, then so wherever you get setups, opportunities coming in, so just take it. All right, stop loss at entry done, so get lost from there, right? Okay, made a W patterns, right? One level left pending. All right, let it go up again. We'll plan shots. If it gets out from this level, so well and good, we'll try to trace from the top, right? If it happens to directly go down from here, we'll directly trace from this levels liquidations and try to move on the downside, right? Okay, if it goes up, we'll trace again one more time, right? For now I cannot take long over here. Okay, so next time what you'll be waiting for the shots, market to come down below those levels. All right, so this becomes your entry once it happens to pass on upper side. All right, guys, and you are going to trace for this levels for 71,200. if it happens to come down and breaks towards the downside, right, guys? Okay, while going in upper side, do nothing, guys. All right, while coming on a downside, we'll try to trace it. So you have now 1% solid move, right? Okay, that's not bad, guys. That's not bad. While going on upper side, you are going to do nothing. All right, okay, that can be chances that market might like to go for the long as well, so you are going to do nothing. While market coming to your zone, you are going to react accordingly. All right, okay. So exactly W pattern formed, and now there isn't pending orders. So last one setup, we'll take it, guys. All right, once it happens to return it up down, New York session is also about to start, right? Okay. Pending orders field over here. It will go directly up. Maximum level $72,310. We are waiting for these levels to come in. Let's see, guys. If it keeps from here, that will be nice. We'll try to take last one setup, guys, for today. Those who have missed my previous setups, guys. All right, we'll try to take one last move. New York session is about to start, guys. I don't know what it have for you all. We'll take one last setup, guys. It's returning from here only. This cannot be true. Not yet. Wait, guys, have patience. All right. This can fake you out nicely. New entry. Wait, Usman. wait. Patience. Nothing much financial advice though, guys. All right. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, okay, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming daily. All right, from 11 UTC onwards, right? Okay, scalping on a gold and BTC scalping gold. Okay, all right, it's coming back for the liquidations, guys. Above these levels, you are going to take for the liquidations 0.634% on upper side, right, with the stop losses below these levels, right? Okay, guys. Liquidations, once it happens to complete this levels, right, we are going to short from this levels, right, towards the downside and trace $4,228, right? Okay, so in fact that can be a short from here as well. This becomes a little bit noisy like BTC did right over here. all right. Okay, so this was an incomplete move towards the downside, right? Okay, so it becomes a little bit noisy from the top, right? Okay, once it happens to clear it out, guys, all right, so again, understand, guys, all right, once it needs to don't short it from the down, you are still inside the retest box, all right, it needs to clear out. This is the liquidations and upper side. After the liquidations, we trace it again towards the downside, all right. Okay, so that time I might like to trace up to 2.3% as well, right? Okay, if it happens to give, right? Okay, this can be risky area, all right. Risk always comes with the rewards, right? Okay, but it has a too easy way to get breach as well, right? If you get, you get more. If you get loss, right, you lose it quickly, right? Okay, so this becomes a proper zone for your shots, but in fact there is also a whereby market can play around and try to give you towards downside, all right. Okay, this is a risky area. Okay, this can be, once happens to come down and break down below this levels, this can be a good zone for you all to go towards downside. Not yet, you have not reached to a zone yet, all right. Okay. BTC still some move left on upper side. Wait, guys, all right, you need to wait, have patience, don't hurry, guys, all right, have patience. Not directly shorting, guys, while going on upper side, you don't do anything for the shots. It can go breakouts on upper side and go on upper side as well, all right. So what you do, we just wait for this levels, right, get confirmations, then only we can go next move towards the downside, all right. 0.64% on upper side for the gold, right? It looks so many things I have drawn for you all, keep explaining it, right? So let's wait. This is the retest. Have patience. Fake you out nicely. Love Volt. I didn't get you. What do you mean? Fake out for what? Gold liquidations above these levels. New York sessions about to start. You said to be careful or it fake you out nicely. What you said is very funny. Oh. All right. Okay. Yeah, lots of time. Need to be very careful, otherwise fix it fakes you out very nicely, right? You'll think that you are going to get target, rather you'll end up getting a stop loss, right, guys? Let's wait for New York session. But guys, I don't like trading New York sessions, right? But in fact, let's try it. Nah, right? But we are going for the zone only. It taps a lot in New York sessions. First 10 to 15 minutes, it's really boring. Have patience. Liquidations not giving. Above these levels we have liquidations. Okay guys, for the gold 0.6 percentage we have it, but don't try to plan from the down. Let it come out. All right, break out, then only you will get it. Sometimes we tend to plan too early and get breached too early, guys. If I want, I can plan short from here as well, but it is going to be too risky for you all, guys. I cannot afford to lose your bucks, guys. We wait for our positions, okay guys, when we don't react too early. Breakout. We need to wait a little bit, okay guys. Hey Patter, welcome back. Okay, it's okay, no worries. Never feel missed, never feel sorry in the trading. All right, okay, whatever done is done. All right, if you get, you get it. Okay, no worries. There are lots of millions of upcoming opportunities in the market. All right, relaxations about to start. How long, guys? This maximum levels it can go up to. Wait, guys, wait. Have patience, wait. We need to wait now. All right, we are getting to the coming to the end, but we need to wait. This gonna be last setup for today. So after confirmations we get in. All right, okay. Wait, guys, okay. One. We need to wait. Can't do anything right now. You get in too early, you will get breached too early, guys. Hi, love. Time. Here's this love. Welcome, anyways. Love trending. Welcome. Have patience, just wait. Wait, guys, still we need to wait. Okay, guys, it is coming to the zone, but where will be our stop loss, guys? Don't hold above these levels, right, guys? Okay, don't hold above these levels. Wait 1 minute, it's not closing it. Just wait 1 minute, guys. All right, it's not closing yet. We look for the both side. Wait, guys. Okay, have patience. Have patience, guys. Have patience. Wait. Wait, guys. Wait. There is small twist in our story. Wait, need to confirm it, observe it well. Ruko zara. This is trying to plan something big. So in the New York sessions, guys, so New York session is about to start right now. All right, hi Naila mate, Gurav, hi sir, you are you blind? I don't know, maybe. So BTC, what you think, Gaurav? What you think? So BTC movement up yet down. Okay, BTC right now, the New York session is about to start. It is about to, we are waiting for the downside move, as well as market is planning a little bit different right now. If it was giving you downside, it should be closing below this level. So right now it is getting a repeated rejection from the down, which means over here it is planning something very noisy. All right, okay, we're aiming for the downside move, but it is planning a little bit noisy in the zone. We don't react too early, we just wait for a few moments. All right, and the gold also, it is trying out a little bit different. All right, okay. So market, we have liquidations on upper side. Gold also needs to move on upper side, right? Okay, and downside also you got a W pattern. You, for the gold also, there is a liquidations on a downside as well. All right, okay, so W pattern, market can take out the people who have brought it too early as well. Upper side, downside, both sides you have liquidations for the gold, right? For BTC, it is playing around in our zone a lot. We have not operated our short setups yet. All right, it is playing around a lot, so most probably BTC is trying to play around with you all. Just try to be careful. All right, okay, because like it seems like it is trying to give you, it will try to give you one move on upper side as well. very high chances. All right, okay. So if it happens to, we are going to observe these levels, right? When the New York session starts, it's going to be a little bit random, move up and down. We just wait for our zone to come in, breakouts, and only we are going to plan it well, right? Okay, so New York session is about to start. It is going to give you a big breach or whatever it is, right? Okay, so we need to be a little bit careful in the zone, I guess. It is giving you the move. It's coming to our zone. It's coming. BTC is coming to our zone, but the candles that we are getting is not really nice, guys. Now the conditions, situations is little bit changed. Situation is changed. This is what I'm thinking for now. It is in the zone, short zone only, but the candles that we're getting are not really good. We are in the short zone. Candles अच्छी नहीं है guys. बहुत प्रेशर मिल रहा है guys इधर. It's moving down in our zone. SB. Why you're laughing a lot? All right, market is playing out a little bit different. You need to be careful in these situations currently, though we are planning for the downside move. All right, it has a good chances of faking you out first. All right, okay, very good chances market trying to fake you out in these levels. Rather than you getting on a down. I cannot plan shots now in this level. It's becoming risky. Rather, maybe long can be good positions for me, I guess. Let the New York session start, guys. Someone says I'm market is playing a lot, that's why I'm laughing. All right. Yes, market is playing a little bit fishy now. We are waiting for the short zone, but I think market is going to take out the first shot, those who are having shots over here firstly. All right, okay, so I'm a little bit now negligent for the shots. Rather, I won't plan it. Nice shots are nice right now, but it's going good. It's going good. I don't plan it over here, guys. I'll ignore it. If it comes right, I'll plan it. Shots getting breakouts. New York session started. Given a nice move for the shots, but my second thought says New York session started. All right, New York sessions 10 minutes. I don't do anything. Nice, giving nice. Given a nice move on a downside, but I don't take it, guys. I'm done. All right, okay. So it is confusing a little bit playing around with y'all for the gold as well. One up, one down. Nice, nice. BTC went nice towards downside, but I didn't take it. Okay, guys, I ignored it for today. I don't want to trade. Downside, I ignore it. All right, New York session started. So if it gives you all, if you are planning on a downside, if you have got a move, that's well and nice, right? Okay. I have been a little bit ignorant for now. I don't want to plan anything for now. If it gives all the way towards downside. It's nice move on a downside, right, guys? Okay, that's perfect move. That's cool. We got stuck, not able to take risks. Let's see. All right, if it is a real move, we should be able to give this one. All right. If it this respects, okay, fine. Market fishy, 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 fishy. Liquidations on the downside. See ya, see ya, see ya. Liquidations are, guys, okay. Gold entry over here. BTC, let's see. All right. In case if it breaches, right, you open your longs over here, guys. All right. Okay. And target for 1% move on upper side rather than planning on a downside. Market is fishy, fishy. New York sessions, New York sessions, New York sessions. Gold entry. Nice. Would have open short it. We have short it, means it would have nice, right, from the top. In fact, right, it didn't give an upper side. Nice. Gold couldn't go up to the long zone yet. If you are holding below, right, move your stop loss to the entry and you can go for it, right, guys, okay. Because like from the top I was not sure whether the market is going to give you down or not. Actually we wanted to plan it, but there was a little bit twist in the story. Market could have done another way around as well. If you want to hold, stop loss should be entry, right, then hold it, right, okay. Otherwise book profit and get out, right, okay. Just small scalp. Above these levels we plan long. All right, guys, we want to take out. Gold, there is a liquidations above these levels, all right, and later on we short it if it happens to come below. Like BTC. I'm not blind. Okay, guys. It has his it my TP. Wow, nice, nice. Actually, this was our final TP from the top, right? From this levels also we are targeting this levels, this level. From here also we wanted to try, but the thing was we didn't take it. All right. Okay, we didn't take it. Last move, we had to take one. Last scalping. Let's try to take one, guys. All right. Take risks from here. Now we took risks from here because of the stop loss. Our stop loss was too far, 0.7% in upper side liquidations. Actually our positions starts from here, but we are taking small step down from here, 0.12% for the gold. And later on, if it comes below, we short it, otherwise keep tracing on upper side. Because the New York sessions gives very random moves. So we are planning for liquidations on upper side for the gold. All right. Okay, BTC we need to wait a little bit. I think we can plot one long positions on upper side from this levels on upper side. It is playing a little bit fishy. Let's target firstly 1.2% only. If it gives if it gets rejection from here, we open short over here. All right, if it didn't come back, then your positions get invalid for the shots. All right. Okay, firstly we take one only. All right. for BTC. If it goes up, we can take one. Have patience, guys. We try to trace one move. Let's see we get it or not. Someone says I'm blind. I'm blind, bro. So we missed this moves, guys. All right, from here till this levels we missed it. One finally taken. Very small. Breaching, guys, breaching. Let's go for the original move. Okay, let's go, guys. One move on upper side, right? Okay, but I think we need to have stop losses around the zone, right? Okay, so maximum, if it happens to give above these levels, it might like to give around 1.7% as well, right? Okay, so it's coming to the zone. Let's hope it will give you. One small liquidations got pending over here. It's okay. So this is going to be last move. If it gives. If it doesn't gives, we are going to slip. All right, guys. Okay, so it's playing around a little bit more, right? Okay, last setup. Okay, guys, usually first 10 to 15 minutes I don't like to trade in the New York sessions, right? Okay, so right now for the gold as well, we are planning for the liquidations and upper side if it gives, right? Okay, so liquidation and breakouts is going to be a nice move on upper side, right? Okay, hopefully it doesn't fix out on a for us right now, right? Okay, so we are planning an upper side for the gold as well as BTC also. It is now came to our zone. We need last confirmations, free test confirmations, last one. All right, okay, so below this levels we don't hold it, right? Okay, so there it stands. If it happens to respect below these levels, then the market will get crashed on the downside to $70,241 as well, right? Okay. Let's wait, right? Last move, guys. Okay, so after this we slip. All right, close for today. We are closed for today, right? Okay, so this is going to be last move for today, right? So of course 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? One SL hit it, right? Okay, so we have taken 7. This is going to be the last move that we are going to run for today, guys. All right. Gold still playing around, right? Okay, it's nicely playing around. let it play around. It have given a small breakout from the retest zone already. Okay, so hopefully it needs to give us, it will play around, and hopefully it is going to give you 0.7 percentage move, right? For BTC we are expecting at least, even if it is not 1.4, at least 1 percentage, right guys? Let's see. All right, New York sessions don't fake out us, fakes that out, right? It shouldn't break below this guy, this levels. Okay guys, so we have stop loss below this levels. All right. Last bigger stop loss, bigger TPs. All right, last one move below this levels. Don't hold on guys for the long, it will go for a crash below this levels, because this is a breakout from the trend, right? And we are expecting the retest to get failed and goes up and break out on the upper side. All right, if it happens to come down and break down below this levels, right, you are going to get 70,000 ranges on a downside. All right, so don't hold below this levels. All right, okay, we are planning for market to take out the people who have shots from the top. So we have lots of shots, right guys? Okay, here people have sold it, right? People sold it over here as well. Okay guys, hope that is understandable for you all. Retest, this is retest for the, yeah, this is the breakout, a retest required for the shots. This is a breakout on upper side, retest for the long. All right, so this is the last one side move. Can't see it on the screen. You can't see it on the screen. What is the price we are not supposed to hold to the long? Below $71,472. Below this one, it will go for the downside move. So just below this one, I have a stop loss of 0.46. Shouldn't hold below this one. All right, if it goes below, then market will go towards the $70,241. All right guys, in fact it has a good chance of going back from here on upper side as well. Okay, manage your risks, own risks, huh guys? Okay, try to manage your risks. Below this levels, don't hold. But we are going to be very careful, right? Whereby we will be tracing one small level of retest zone in this level. Okay, gold trying its hard. Gold trying its hard. BTC also trying its hard towards the downside. All right. BTC also trying its hard. Gold going good, guys. All right. Gold now might be a boom above these levels, huh? If you want to hold above these levels, you need to book some profit in these levels and move your stop loss to the entry. Rest, just let it flow for the gold. Okay. BT trying hard to fake you out. Don't fake us out, BT. You shouldn't be faking us out. Trying it. Guys, now tired, huh? Dragon is tired, huh? Guys, we have taken ample of setups today. The last setup, hopefully it doesn't fake us out, right? Way. Stuck at the entry, guys. What to do? क्या करे, guys? Stuck at the entry. Gold stuck at the entry. हो जा, breakout हो जा. BD, come on. You can do it. Come on, BD. Why? Why is it so? Coming out from our retest phase. If it close below, don't let this candle to close below. Trying it hard. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit subscribe button. Alright guys, so that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions every day. 11 UTC onwards guys. Alright, every day 11 UTC onwards. Okay, you can catch me always. Alright, every day, no rest guys, no rest, every day. Okay, Saturday also. Though there won't be volume, right? Dragon states over there keep shouting at on the screen, right? This is the retest. Come on, BD, don't do a shitty. BD in fact trying its best. Right guys, it's trying its best. BD is trying its best. Because it have came to the zone, either it should get faked out or either it should give you the big breakouts. Because of this move, I couldn't take this shot as well. We had to take it from this level. Because I didn't knew that whether the market is going to go up firstly or come down firstly, but these two zones should be filled up. Come on. मेरा मन I'm feeling sleepy guys, I'm tired now. BT is making me extra tired. New York sessions become so tiring guys. It's really tiring because we have to concentrate on every moves of New York sessions because of that one. Usman, hi, thank you so much. You're welcome. Shitty moves. New York session volatility, come on. Come on, BD, come on, push it, guys. BD, push it, push it, push it. It's damn boring. BD, push it. Hey, BD, push it. Gold has also got stuck on the entry only, guys. But if it gives a breakout, there is a liquidations on upper side. That's going to be super. If it doesn't give, what to do, guys? Right. BD shitty. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Why so dirty? Yeah. Too much dirty. Give us some breakout. BT and gold. Over here, book some profits, okay, guys, for the scalpers. All right, over here in this zone, and after that we shift our minimize our risks, right, guys? Okay, we'll try to minimize our risks and rest. Just let it flow wherever it wants to go. Right, okay. Your stop loss should be lesser than the profit that you book over here. All right, you got me what I mean to say, guys. This is how you manage it, right? Okay, in this zone, let me keep tracing like this, guys. All right, okay. TP1 book over there. All right, rest, move your stop loss to the entry and rest how much it gives, keep tracing. All right, guys, maybe that can be 1.4% as well, right, guys? Okay. Gold also requires boom on upper side. BD shitty मत कर ले, BT इतना shitty मत कर ले. मेरा मन क्यों झुक जाए, ये बंधन ना जाने क्यों झुक गया ऐसा. That becomes a retest, but no power, guys, no power. No power, guys. Came back to the entry. We close and slip, guys. All right, if it gives, well and good. All right, I'm tired now, guys. All right, we close and sleep. Close and sleep. Entry, came back to the entry. Close and sleep lah, guys. If it goes next time, so it has a good reversal point from here, right? So below these levels, if it goes, that will be short, right? Okay. If it gets rejection from here, right, and moves on upper side, then you'll get a better volatility, guys. All right. So this move can be an upper side, all right, the last move that you're getting, okay, from here. Excuse me, guys. All right, so over here, all right, if it gets rejection from the top, right, it shouldn't be passing below these levels. Okay, if it passes below these levels, then the market is going to go for 70,000 ranges on the downside. Okay, I'm sleeping, guys. All right, I'm done. Gold also, gold, it should be giving you the liquidations. It's also playing around a lot. All right, I think it should be giving you 0.7% on upper side, guys. All right, okay, it's coming back to the downside zone one more time, which is very bad, right? It could give you a very small move, 0.3% on it. Very bad, very bad. This is so bad. Broke out. you might like to see big move on a downside as well. It broke out from that zone. If it breaks down below this levels, it's going to go for the downside. So I'm done, guys. All right, so if you wanted to trade it, if you made profits, well and good. If you made a losses, well and good. All right, sleep, guys. All right, for the gold, it should be able to give you, I guess, right, most probably. So now I think it should be able to break out. All right, okay. If it is not able to get breakout, right, it becomes so boring, guys. If we are doing scalping, not long holdings, in one go you should be getting it. If it goes crashes below those levels, so this is the last point for the BT to prove that the market, it have broken out, this retest was passed, and if you should get rejection from these levels and pass above these levels, then you are getting up 1.26 percentage. If it gets rejection again you are waiting for the short positions and try to move on the downside, right? Okay, but I think there is one level whereby the market have left you all some pending orders, right, on the upper side. Hi Rajesh Pandey, New York session. So I don't like to trade much. It doesn't really, if it is a real breakout, it gives really quick, right? From here, boom, one continues. Below this levels, market goes bearish. Gold also, if it should be able to give you, right, keep your stop loss tight, right, and trade it, guys. Okay, if it gives, if it doesn't give, sleep, guys. All right, why you want it to aggressively? It's becoming dirty now. Okay, so overall one setup was done on a gold, right? Second setup we tried to do it, still stuck at the entry. Okay, for the BTC now it's going for the downside move, right, whereby the market now it might like to go below those levels as well, right? Okay, so in case if it happens to come up, you might like to go for it, otherwise no chance, guys. All right, it's now getting below these levels, which is going for the liquidations. Market will try to plan below these levels now. All right, so that's all, guys. Okay, so early we close it, that's fine. Okay, no profit, no loss for the last session. So for the BT also 1 2 3 4 5 6, right, 6 7 setups we have taken it, right? So 1 or 2 I think it have hit our stop loss, right? Rest we got little, right? But last one we had to close it at a entry, right? Okay. So you can accordingly plan and work out, guys. All right, I'm tired, so I'll try to see you all tomorrow. Okay, I'll try to see you all tomorrow, guys. All right. Try to see you all tomorrow. Dragon is tired, guys. So those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay, in case if it happens to go to the long zones, you can plan it long. Otherwise, on a downside, don't try to plan long, all right? Don't hold the negative trades, right? Okay, and yeah, that's all, I guess, right? Okay, gold, I think it should be able to give you all, still stuck over there. Okay, nice. When I end my live stream, all right, Manoj Sharma, I use a different strategy, different types of strategy, all right? Okay, so I have 8 ways of finding opportunities in the market. According to the market situation, I use different guys, all right? Okay, so I don't stick on one strategy, but for the beginners it is very important you stick with one strategy only until and unless you are not getting perfected, all right? Okay, once you get experience, then only you jump it for the multiple strategies. I think it's quick, because on the sideways, right, your breakout strategy is not going to work, right? You need to have some price actions over there, right? Okay, sometimes you have to apply your psychology, right? Okay, so all the patterns analysis, Fibonacci, right? All right, and what SMC, right, and trend analysis on all the market conditions is not going to work, right? Okay, and sometimes it will work, so you are just going to identify your strategy. So I use a breakout strategy combined with the trend analysis as well. All right, okay, sometimes I use a reversal with the sideways analysis, combining with two strategies, right? Okay, I have lots of strategies that's running in my here, right? I use different strategies according to the market situations. All right, okay. Sometimes I use only the breakout strategy. Sometimes I have to use the price actions only, right? Okay. So according to the market situations, what kind of market situations I'm getting in, right? Okay, then I use it accordingly. All right, okay. Reversal, breakout, fake out, even when the market gives you the fake out. For example, in this cases, right, you are waiting for the breakout strategy to work out. In case if the breakout strategy doesn't works, right, I use a reversal point from there also, right? Okay, so okay, so we had to use breakout strategy over here in the combination with the trend analysis. The trend, you are getting it, you got a breakout from the trend, right? Okay, you got a breakout from the trend, you got a liquidations on a downside, right, and came out and came to your zone, right? Okay, so this is a combinations of breakout strategy along with the sideways that you're having. All right, okay, so gold going perfect now, boom, right? Now as soon as you reach over here, book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, and rest just let it flow. All right, so basic, so we are using the liquidations analysis also over here, so it doesn't get fixed. Why we are planning at the same time? So it is getting together, guys. The breakout, trend analysis, and the liquidations getting together. Why we mark over here? Because there is standing one liquidations, there is one pending orders, right? So everyone is planning short, right? Okay, everyone is planning short, so market is aggressively giving you last move for the shots, right? Okay, breakout towards the downside, right, and the retest got passed, right, and market is aggressively planning an upper side just to remove all the stop losses and take out the liquidations, right? Okay, so we are using sticking at the same time the pending orders as well, right? So it differs, guys. All right, okay, from how much you are trading. What you mean how much, bro? How much means like, oh, how long? It has been almost about 2019 end. Okay, I started my trading journey from 2019 end, so you can count it, right? More than 6 years, right? Going for the 7 years, 7th year now. All right, okay, so you are applying for the liquidations on upper side, right? At the same time you have a sideways over here, so you can plan it accordingly. All right, in case market happens to return it from the top, right, now then you can continue towards the downside as well, right? If it doesn't continue, keep continuing on upper side as well, right? So that's all, guys, for today. Time from 11 UTC. All right, every day I come on a live stream, you can catch me always, right, guys? Okay, that's all for today, guys. Okay, I'm getting tired, and I'll see you all tomorrow 11 UTC. Tomorrow is going to be the Friday, the Black Friday, right? Let's see, okay, what we can do it. All right, for now all trade closed and I'm sleeping, guys. All right, have a good time. Profitable trader, it took me almost 4 years, guys. Almost 4 years I have to be. Then it comes to the average type, then only it becomes profitable, right? The day you stop thinking about the profits, then only you will be profitable, guys. All right, ABS, all right, Naren Bhai Patel, hi bro, welcome. Okay, Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum will be also similar like a Bitcoin only, right? I guess. Okay, but yeah, that's all for today, guys. All right, those who are watching me for the first time, pehla subscribe mardo, so you come back tomorrow and we'll try to trade together tomorrow. All right, okay, subscribe marke jana, okay, so that you guys don't miss my live stream. All right, okay, signing off, Dragon, all the way from Bhutan. See you all, love you all tomorrow. I'll see you all tomorrow.